Hi, I'm Tanani Reinheimer. I'm living in Iowa right now. So I work at a place called Prairie Ridge Integrated Behavioral Health. So I actually am a counselor in the women's residential unit for drug and alcohol treatment, and we are a co-occurring disorder facility. So I work with pretty extreme cases of mental health diagnoses um, every single day for about 10 hours a day. So I'm exhausted. Um, my beliefs about mental health, um, they vary. I definitely believe a lot of people that I work with they have trauma-based mental health disorders, a lot of borderline personality disorder here, a lot of tons of depression, tons of um, there's just a lot of anxiety, and a lot of these things come from their background. So um, I also would like to say that I do participate in making DSM-5 diagnosis with assessing for drug and alcohol um, diagnosis. I do assessments and assess their needs for drug and alcohol treatment, which we use the DSM-5 diagnostics for that on a daily basis. So I'm really interested in this class to see what's going on here and seeing how it can help me help them. So nice to meet you.